Oh, it's getting hot in here. Hot in here.
It's getting hot in here, so hot, so take off all your clothes.
It's getting bad. Okay, more donuts. But just damn it.
Damn it, Michael!
Sorry guys. Okay, more donuts. But I don't think this will be gonna be the real ones because I already did a review on one. Make sure to watch below. The link below, please. And yeah, check that before checking this or vice versa. And let's see how it goes. This one is gonna be the chocolate. Fiber one chocolate. There. Chocolate flavor. Hope it's flavor, not only in smell. The fiber one, only 90 calories per donut. They come with 4 donuts. 4 donuts of 92 grams. So 92 grams will be no. The box is 92 grams. Yeah. Each donut is 23. 23 is only 90 calories. So let's hope it's enough. I'm gonna open this. Oh, I'm gonna open this. Oh, damn! Come on, whatever you can. 4, yeah. 4 beautiful donuts. Let's go for the taste. No, taste, not smell. Wait a second. Yeah, I can smell a little bit. There's not like the milk chocolate smell. Actually, the last ones they smell much better. Strawberry, the smell was stronger. This you cannot smell the chocolate at all, or if you can. I can't. But never mind. This. Oh, they look like they're quite small. That's fine. Size isn't everything. But yeah, that's what she said. And now I'm here.
Mr. Lonely, I have nobody.
Okay, let's go for it.
No, God! No, God, please, no!
No, look at that. It's a cake. This is a cake. I'm very disappointed. I'm very disappointed. You cannot taste the chocolate. Cannot even smell the chocolate. At least with the other one, you could smell the strawberry, but this one, no way. You wow, it's getting bad. I'm gonna check myself. Oh god, there's no way you cannot taste anything, just a cake. I mean, yeah, there are better cakes out there. I think the only propaganda of this is because it's only 90 calories, and really, I know 90 calories is not a lot. Just you need to go follow a low calorie diet, but you can always burn calories if you need. So, and also 90 calories for this amount of volume. Nah, I don't know, man. This is a no-go, guys. Avoid it. The score 2. Very low. No. The chocolate is here, but the color, but you cannot taste them. Well, I'm gonna finish this, so I'm gonna get sick because there's no taste of this at all. I'll try to eat in one go. Let's see. See? Wow. Ooh. No sweetness. It's dry. Ooh. I need some water after this. Guys. Well, I need to check. I'm gonna wrap it up. Finish here. I hope this will give you an idea what to expect from this. If not, give it a go and get your own opinion. Yeah, but don't expect that much. Guys, I really appreciate your support. Please leave a like, comment below and subscribe to support the channel. And I'll see you on the next episode. Cheers!